Afternoon, guys. What I thought we'd do today is get ourselves a little bit of dinner ready out here at the wall tent. We got 3 or 4 hours before dark, but it's going to take me about an hour to prep this fire. I want to get a nice coal bed built up, and I want to show you a couple of new products in the meantime, and then we'll cook up some steak and beans for dinner. Meanwhile, let's talk about a couple pieces of product we're going to use in this video, and also a couple tips and tricks. Stay with me. All right, so on these cook irons, again, you have 6 of these that are exactly the same. The reason for that is you can use 3 of these in a configuration that is just a regular over the fire spit to cook your food, and you can hang a bush pot off that. Now I'm going to show you a trick real quick with a bush pot. If you take an S-hook, a small S-hook, and you leave it permanently attached to your pot, very much like the Swedish cook set has a permanent S-hook attached to the handle, and you can hang that on your spit over the fire, and it gives you the perfect scenario to be able to cook over coals with these cook irons. You can also just hook that into a loop now on a tripod. You don't have to worry about having any toggle or anything like that. I just leave it on there. It slides right into the bush pot bag like that, and it's fine. It's permanently bent to stay on there. So that's one configuration you could use that in, as a galley pole to hang things over the fire. Now the reason there's 6 of these is because you can also put these in the ground over the fire. And you'll need to probably pound these in the ground to do this, to get the height you want. And just spread them out a little bit, just like this. Get them the same height over the fire, or where you're going to have your fire. So you've got 2 of them here, and you've got 1 of them back here. And you're going to make a triangle basically with this. And then your other 3 can go here, here, and here. And now you have something that's very stable that you can put a skillet on to cook over the fire. So that's another configuration. You could also, if you put one in side by side to the other one like this, give yourself a little bit of space there. Make sure this one is centered between the 2, like this. You can then take 2 of these and put them in here like this, side by side. Give yourself a set of cook irons that way that you can cook on top of as well. Make sure everything's nice and level, and then you're good. Now you've got something you can cook on this direction, whether that's a bush pot that you're putting over the fire, or whether that's a skillet. Either way, it'll work. Now, the last configuration we should talk about real quick is, if you put 2 of these in the ground, just like you were going to make a galley pole, and you might want to adjust the height from galley pole height a little bit down over coals. Now you can take 2 of these skewers, you can shove it through here, and then spread it out enough to put 2 of them through 1 piece of meat, so that when you get to the other end, now that meat's not going to roll on you. You can actually rotate that meat if you want to, and it's not going to flop around on you, because you've got the spread there of these 2 rods with the meat in the middle, okay? And then you are able to turn the thing over and adjust that meat wherever you want it. I'll tell you what, folks, that, oh man. That steak is perfect. Nice and rare. Bush's baked beans. That's a money shot right there. Woo. That's some good camp food. Just like my daddy used to say, clean plate club, baby. Whew. Time for seconds. Listen, guys, I appreciate you joining me out here this afternoon for a quick video showing you this new foldable grill rack and this new cook irons. Both of them will release Friday at 1 o'clock. I'll put the price or the MSRP of both items in the description box down below so that you can see it when I post the video. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business, for all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.